Dear brothers and sisters, a story of a Jesuit missionary to Africa, wrote this letter to his brothers at Loyola University in Chicago. Little boys jabber, fight, and run foot races outside the window. Sometimes they stare in at me and watch me as if I were a gorilla in a zoo. Women come with sick babies and sit on the floor outside my room, talking at the top of their voice. All the villagers talk as if you are 30 yards away. But these things are bearable and routine. It's the crisis of the conscience that is hard, he says. Christ said, "When I was hungry, you gave me to eat." But he said, "But there is nobody here who isn't hungry. Everyone comes for food." Missionaries don't have an easy life. They draw needed strength from St. Paul's promise that God will strengthen them to the end. How do we cope with life when it grows hard? "Come to me, all of you who are tired, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. And that was the life story of Saint Monica. She never got tired to pray and convert her husband, her son. They were wayward and far away from Christian values and morals. But she did not give up. She knew God was with her. And Paul's promise, God will strengthen them to the end. So finally, when she got St. Augustine converted, she died in Ostia, a place close to Rome, in Augustine's arms. And she told him, "I am happy to see you a Christian, a priest, a bishop. Always remember me at the altar." That was the joy and happiness of a missionary mother.